Hello friends, so today I am going to show you the Huion device. How can we use this? This device basically we use as a tablet. You can see this is the box, and I will unboxing also this one. So there you can see there is a pen signer, drawing. You can writing, industrial design, draw something. So many things you can do in this. So now I am going to open this and see. So this is the pen what we will use in this device. This pen, you can see this is the back side of the pen, and there is the, like, this is the normal pen, like the normal pen. So we will use on the device. Here this is the device basically. You can see this device we will use for the writing. We will write on it. First we will connect with the laptop or the computer, whatever you have. So after that we see here there is the card, thank you for choosing. Okay, and there are some extra pins for the pen. You can see these pins we can insert on this pen. Okay, and also there are, if you want to make tight, so there are some extra accessories. Inside this you will find one of the CD for the software. You can install this software in your computer, and there is the guideline, the book. Okay, so these are the things we will use it. So now I tell you how we will use it. First we will connect this cable also. It will come with the device. You can see this cable. So one of the cable we will put in the device, and the other one, where is the place? There is. And the other one you will put in your laptop or desktop, whatever. So you can see now the screen of the laptop. If you see, I remove this from here. Just I take the pen and the device. So now I think you can see clearly. So the first thing I want to tell you, this you can use in paintbrush, you can use in sketch and snip, you can use in the Photoshop where you have the brush. So you can see now if I drag this, so I am using this, and you can see because there is no brush, so that's why it's not working. So you can see now we can write here, and you can use for different purpose. You can now I open the paintbrush or snip and sketch, whatever you have it. So now see, you can write here. This is, I took the eraser. So you need the practice again, I am saying, because if you will not do the practice, you cannot use this device. So you can see now here I can write anything, whatever I want. Okay, there if you press this button and you move here, so you can erase the things, or you can use the eraser. This eraser you can use it from the software. And one more thing, you can record the screen. Suppose you have the whatever camera you are using. Suppose I want to record the screen, so I start recording, and then the screen is recording now, and I am using this device. So again and again I will say you need practice for this, because if you will not do the practice, so no need for this. Suppose I write my name here. If I have to remove, double click on it. From the distance, if you will move, so it will, you can select the location first, and then where you want to write, go there and write. One more thing, if you will press this, so it will be darker. You can see the difference. If you press the nib, so it will be darker. Okay, so you can make the drawing. When you will make practice, you can make the drawing, you can do anything, because I am also not used to for this device, so I will practice this for this. And once you used to, so it's very easy to use. Suppose this is, I wrote my name here, Sharik. You can take the color, you can take anything, double click on the thing. Suppose you want to change the color, background. So which background color you want, which style, so everything you can use it. But again, I am telling you, see this, you will press this and you will drag this pen, so it will erase.